welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be replacing the interior dome light bulb on a 2005 Toyota Corolla. So I have a trim tool here, just need to push down and pry on it. You should be able to get out the plastic piece here. Just make sure you pry on the plastic itself and not on the piece that's in here. So you can take the cover out. You can just use your fingers to remove the bulb. You can push back on this, or you can use a thin screwdriver. So you can use a thin screwdriver to push back on the tab here. So we push back on the tab, and here's the bulb. The part number is DE3175. So I'm going to reinstall the bulb now. There's a hole in here, so you can install it in that hole first and push upwards against the spring, the metal spring, and it should be able to sit in. So we should be able to sit this in. You can see it's lined up at the other end here. So make sure that's in, and that the other side is lined up, and then you should be all good to go. So before I put the cover back on, I'm just going to try the switch now. So now it's working. Now you just need to reinstall the cover. Make sure everything it clips in, then you should be all good to go. The interior light just turned off because I closed the door. So that's all there is to it for replacing the interior dome light bulb.